we are driving down the port and then taking a boat ride on the Temple Pata River. You might see the footprints of a jaguar or even spot a red howler. Look around you, everyone! Ladies and gentlemen, we are in one of the most biodiverse parts of the world, the Peruvian Amazon. Well done, parents! So in fact, welcome to Chuncho Macaw Playland, where hundreds of parents gather every day to link or play. Now, did you know that this is the largest playland of its kind in the world? And everyone, keep your eyes right up there! Here comes Avery and Ferrari, our beautiful scarlet macaws. Now, macaws like them, they have a very sharp and pointy bill, which means they might sometimes eat unripe fruit. Welcome to Mandai Bird Paradise in Singapore. Did you know that we are home to more than 3,500 birds, over 400 alien species? Oh, look at that! Oh, that was impressive! Oh, that's not all! Wow, even more birds! Beautiful! Amazing. Is there enough birds for you? You want me, right? That's not enough. I knew she was going to say that. So let's welcome more special friends on the park. Look up left and right, and here they come. Well, we have Higgins and Katie this afternoon. Higgins is the one on my end, and he is a green-winged macaw. He's about 10 years old.
That's right. And with me here, I have Katie, the sulfur-crested cockatoo. Now, cockatoos in general, they can be found in Australia and certain parts of Indonesia. Now, take a closer look at Katie's head. Can you see this yellow feather? Now, that is known as a crest. Sulfur is yellow, and hence that is how they got the name sulfur-crested cockatoo. Well, all right. Well done. Okay, let's start then, shall we? Now, if you want to see what's happening inside the tree trunk, look at the screen. Oh, Katie, that's you! Oh, that's Katie! Katie, look, that's you on the screen. Are you gathering more sticks? Thank you very much, Katie, Higgins, and their wonderful trainers. Hey there, listen. The rooster. How's that for a rooster? What else can you say? Did you catch that? He said, "Welcome to Parrot Paradise." Yeah, I know it's bird paradise, but he's a parrot. Shall we hear that one more time? Yes? Okay, one more time. Yeah! So cool! Well done, see? Alright, besides living thing, the rooster, let's hear your other animal friends. The cat. Very sleepy cat today. Must be the weather. Okay, enough of animals. Let's move on to electronic sounds this time. Quincy, the ringing tone of the telephone. Telephone. Can we give Quincy a big hand, everyone? Amigo, how else would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? Wow! Amigo is asking, how are you? So how's everyone feeling today? Good? That's very nice to hear. Now, Amigo, he can sing a song as well, and it is the birthday song. Goes out to you. Amigo, are you ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
the Tongkong toucan. Can you see him? Where's Elmo? Ah, there he comes! Very good. Okay, but Elmo here is going to show off his flying skills by flying through that giant fruit loop. Okay, are you ready? Wow!
Now toucans, they are known for their incredible speed and agility. In fact, their bodies are so flexible, they are able to fly through gaps in the forest. In this case, our giant fruit loop. Okay, ready, Elmo? One more fly back to Eileen.
Hi, Elmo!
And let's go!
Well done, Elmo, and thank you very much, Peppa. It's a fly hornbill. Oh, I recognize him. That is Horace, everyone. And Horace has a special story. He fell out of his nest when he was a chick and got injured. Usually in the wild they would not have survived, but right here in Mandai Bird Paradise, he was nursed back to health and now has a safe, permanent home with us.
That's right. Now hornbills and toucans, they have a few major differences. Now the toucans, they can be found in Central and South America, while the hornbills, they can be found in Africa and Asia. Now take a closer look at the hornbill's head. It's even big and brightly colored.
Oh, why? Are there any other differences between them?
Yes, their feet. So hornbills and toucans, they are actually great hoppers. So ready to show off your hopping skills? Look at that very cute hop.
Oh, my turn. Oh yes. Their tongues. Hornbills have shorter tongues than toucans, but both species are able to toss fruits back into their mouth.
Wow, that was a nice catch, Horace. Which means they are able to catch their prey mid-air without even stopping. So let's have Elmo to demonstrate it first.
Okay, Elmo, toss the fruits.
Wow, beautiful catch. Okay, Horace, it's your turn. Elmo? Elmo? I think he wants to catch it one more time. And with that, everyone, let's give it up for Horace, the orange. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here comes Vicky, our great pie hornbill. Hello there, Vicky. The great pie hornbills, they are the largest hornbill species that you can find right here in Southeast Asia. Did you hear that? That was the vocalization of a great pied hornbill. Interesting, right? So in Borneo, some tribes, they believe that if a hornbill were to fly past their village, it means that the villagers will be blessed with good luck. Hornbill!
That is sunny out. Okay, he's gonna try to feed her right now. If you cannot see this up close, take a look at our screen, everyone. Well, that's the female actually. She's checking out the nest cavity. Only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. Just like so. That's the male feeding female through that small gap. Now, in fact, this unique nesting behavior is shared by nearly all 62 species of hornbill. Home is right over there. Bye-bye! And a landing, our hornbills, ladies and gentlemen, also known as the red ivory. What's happening to the elephants are also happening to these birds.
And that is why I am here at Mandai, because Mandai Nature supports conservation efforts to help protect these beautiful birds.
Now this is an enrichment device called a monkey face. It is ropes tied into knots, and in those knots we have hidden trees for our birds to forage and express their natural behavior. Conures are from South America. They are now endangered. Each year, over 800,000 birds are sold into the pet trade. And unfortunately, there are now more conures in people's homes than in the wild. But these birds are social species and are happiest in flocks. So please, do not keep them as pets. Now, did you know in the over 40 species of corneas. Up here on the monkey beach, you can see 2 of the species.
Then our pink-backed pelican, roar!